Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for Lang Live, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Lang Live sessions. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Lang Live? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info and conversations stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get kicked out or have your data exposed midstream. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers or shows you watch. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Lang Live. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Lang Live because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of phishing scams or fake stream offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has this neat tool called Meshnet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure custom streaming session. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, tablet, all at once while language learning or chatting live. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Lang Live user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for anyone experiencing buffering or lag during Lang Live streams, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This helps route your streaming traffic for a smoother, faster experience. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower delay. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Lang Live? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less delay, translating to smoother streams and conversations. IPVanish is a close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies, with ping spikes depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low latency is your top priority, you want smooth, uninterrupted Lang Live sessions, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you've got tons of devices or a whole household streaming and chatting live. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Lang Live user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Lang Live. See you soon.